Good afternoon, this is Todd Bergman with Interwest Distribution. Some of you have seen my other videos. Just wanted to highlight this installation that I actually did for a friend of mine on his Astin Martin Vantage S using the Scotchgard Pro Series paint protection film by 3M. So we actually did the full front clip on this, did the full fenders, no seams, the full front bumper including the carbon fiber lower splitter, full front hood, the headlights, and the actual side view mirrors. So we were able to accomplish the install all with patterns on the 3M Pattern Solution Center software. So you can see up there actually what's available. Very nice fitting patterns. Really the alignment was great on everything on this vehicle. So the film itself, definitely self-healing technology like some other films on the market today as well. Just incredible gloss on this film. You put it next to some of the other competitive films and you can definitely see a difference as far as gloss. 10-year warranty on the actual film against bubbling, peeling, delamination, cracking, crazing, and yellowing. So this customer is actually going to get an additional 5-year service agreement that only 3M offers. And what that service agreement entails is during the 5 years, if the customer ever actually takes a piece of debris or a rock large enough to actually damage or actually penetrate the actual film and damage the paint, 3M will actually cover the repair per incident for fixing and correcting the paint and also reapplying the actual film. So definitely a nice advantage, something again that no other manufacturer currently offers. So, you know, if you're a consumer, definitely something to think about. So if you have any questions, feel free, you can give us a call. Again, Interwest Distribution. I appreciate it. Thanks again.